Listen in closely. I'm about to say that word, tax. Yep, you heard it right here. Today we're counting down the top 5 deductions people forget when it comes to tax. Because it's not just Friday, it's Finder Friday. Yeah! Let's kick off with number 5. The most probably forgettable tax deduction is working from home. You can claim a portion of your bills for the time you spend working from home. Things like energy, internet. Ask your accountant, obviously, and claim those bills. Number 4, do you use your phone for work? If you do, check your work emails, make work phone calls, things like that, you can claim the portion of your phone when it comes to your tax. It's an awesome thing to do. Obviously, if your company pays for your phone, you can't claim that. But if you can, that's kind of great. Number 3, we're halfway through. Whoa, it's Finder Friday again. If you have a seminar and you're going to it, the tax man will actually pay you to upskill, which is awesome. Online courses, things like that, claim that on your tax. If it's applicable, obviously. Number 2, whoa, we're almost there. It's Finder Friday. It is claiming the cost of your actual accountant itself. Now, your accountant's obviously going to find all these tax deductions and things like that, but you can claim their cost as well. Now, guys, stick around for number 1 right after this. Yeah!
Heads up about the Amazon Prime sale, which is coming Monday and Tuesday this week. This sale will see Aussies have access to deals for tech, home, fashion, and more. You need to be an Amazon Prime member to access it, but you can get a free trial for that. We'll detail all of the information on finder.com.au.
Okay, here's the number 1 forgettable thing when it comes to tax deductions. Graham, our insights manager, tell us, what is the number 1 thing?
How are you doing, Fred? This is forgettable. I forgot to do this myself last year. Not a lot of people know, but you can make extra contributions to your super above your normal contributions, and those are tax deductible. You'll pay tax on those funds, but it's less than what you'd pay if you paid the tax directly. So for example, you can contribute up to 25k, that gets taxed at 15%.
Okay.
But if that came straight off your wages, you'd pay 32.5% of the savings to be made there. Okay. If you're a higher income earner, those earning over $250,000 a year, they can still do it. They get taxed at 30%, but their tax rate normally would be 45%. So everybody saves.
So there's about 15% to be saved. Are there any limits to this?
Yeah, there is a 25k limit every year, but as of this tax year, that's going to be able to be rolled over. So if you were in that group that if you forgot last year to make those extra contributions and you would be able to afford to do it this year, you can roll what you didn't pay last year over and contribute more than 25k.
Right. Okay, and how do you do this?
Okay, so if you want to do this, you need to let your super fund know beforehand. You can't just drop the money in. They need to be aware. So you need to fill in what's called a form of intent on the super website. Once you do that and they acknowledge that you are going to send the funds in, then you can do it. Then you can claim it on your tax return at the end of the year.
Awesome stuff. All right, guys, if you have any questions, obviously speak to your accountant, but we'll be on the chat today at 12 o'clock. Come on in and have a chat with us. And don't forget, it's not just Friday, it's Finder Friday. Yeah!
Yo, has this ever happened to you? When you're chilling with your crew and somebody's always yapping about what's better, talking about their footy team, their cars, their favorite bars, even celebrity stars. Come on, that stuff don't matter. On device in hand, I compare some broadband plans, or maybe how to stream music on demand. Some people never check. What the heck? That's embarrassing. Now I jump on Finder for comparison. Compare the best health, insurance for your wealth, top destinations, something for yourself. Compare the hottest fashion, compare the latest phones, compare some gear for training or the best line for your